Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and I'm gonna show you something. This is the outside of my house. This is actually right here. This is the little house that I rent. I love it. It's pretty. Come on. And we already put all the furniture that was on the patio here. Right now is a mess. Okay. And we have to evacuate because it's not safe. My sister, she's worried and she's packing everything, waters and food. So I'm gonna show you. Oh, Carmen, this is my friend with her that she's gonna take care of this house. There is no wind yet, but look, this all those leaves, and there is some branches here already.
Yo no sé qué quiere decir prever.
And there is another branch that already fell. My sister is worried about those big, huge old trees. So that's the reason why it's beautiful. I love it. I love to be here. It's awesome. But for real, it's not safe. Yesterday I packed most of my machines and put it inside a big van, and I'm gonna show you the neighbor. Let me try to zoom. Put some plastic on top of his roof and he already left. And I don't know if you can see, this is the little house that we rent, and he already put some plastic on top, but there is no wind and you already see some branches on top of the roof. So this is the reason why we have to evacuate, but now we're gonna be safe. And I really want to thank you, Sharon, for letting me stay in your condo in Reunion. You don't know how much I really appreciate it. So I just recording this. Maybe after the hurricane, I will show you if there was any damage inside the house or not. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. And remember that I'm here to help you. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Bye.